Here is a very simple problem about matrices. So we're looking for the determinant of P. Okay, so to find the determinant, we're just going to take the product of the major diagonal, that is 3 multiplied by 2, then subtract the product of the minor diagonal. So we have -4 multiplied by -1. Okay, so first forward, so this is just 6 minus -4 multiplied by -1 is 4. Then 6 minus 4 is +2. Okay, so you can see that the determinant here is not equal to 0. So we can proceed and find the inverse of this matrix. Now, there is a very simple method that you need to know for you to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so the inverse is denoted by e to the -1, which is equal to, so you're going to take your determinant 1 divided by the determinant is 2. The next thing to do is to swap the entries in the major diagonal. So the major diagonal you have from left to right 3, right? So you're going to swap. You write 2 and 3. Then you change the sign in the minor diagonal. So this becomes 4 and 1. Okay, so what did I say? I said you swap the entries in the major diagonal. So 2 goes to where 3 was and 3 goes to where 2 was. Then you change the sign in the minor diagonal. Then you multiply throughout by 1/2. That is 1 over the determinant. If you want, you can leave it here. Okay, or we can just take 1/2 and multiply every entry in this matrix, because this guy is just a scalar. Okay, so you are just dividing everything inside by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1/2, we're going to leave it like that as a fraction, then 3 divided by 2. So that is the inverse and the determinant of this matrix.